Do you want to know how you can enhance your curls and get them popping? I am going to give you 11 steps on how you can do this. Step 1 is the one I talk about all the time. Deep condition your curls. Deep condition your hair weekly. This will help your hair or your curls become soft and healthy. If you aren't deep conditioning weekly,
how is your hair going to get nourishment? How are
your curls going to remember they can be defined? You need to deep condition weekly. I don't say this enough. If you watch most of my videos, I talk about deep conditioning. I deep condition my hair once a week and it makes the world of a difference. It just sucks up all the juices from the deep conditioner and yeah, it enhances your curls. I do a twist as well when I deep condition, so that just trains your curls to curl. If you want to climb up a ladder, you've got to go step by step, step by step. If you have curls, yeah, or waves or coils, and they're not defined, they're just waiting for you to take the step to enhance them, to bring them back to life, to show them how they can curl. Deep conditioners provide hydration and nourishment, extra hydration. Your curls need to be hydrated. I'll tell you the next step. That one is as important as the first. Actually, the first 3 are very important, and this is only the first one. So stay tuned. There's 11 steps. You do not want to miss any of them. And the last one is the icing on the cake. Okay, the definition on the curls. I have done many videos trialing deep conditioners. Here you go. I'll put a link for you to have a look. Deep conditioning is number 1. Step number 2 is, can you guess? No heat. Dun dun dun. Uh-oh. If you have to use heat, please use a diffuser attachment, okay? I say no heat at all. But if you do have to use heat, use a diffuser attachment on a low heat setting and a high blow, so low heat, high blow kind of thing. Reduce it, take it away. I mean, if you're in a humid area and it's hot, quite often, air dry. Once a week. I wouldn't say air dry every day because it's not good to have your curls wet for a prolonged period of time. So air dry. I air dry when it's hot in this country, because hey, I actually like my curls wet for that day. But as I say, you can diffuse your hair. So yeah, step number 2, nice and simple, no heat. Step number 3, we're going up this ladder pretty quick, and you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. So step number 3 is hydration. Say with me, hydration. Hydrate those curls. Hydration is key. If your curls are not defining, first thing is that you need to add water. Water hydrates our curls. Are you drinking enough? Are you washing your hair enough? Are you keeping your hair drenched when you're using styling products? Another way is using sulfate-free shampoos. Sulfate strips the hair. You need to bring the hydration back. So sulfate-free shampoos. Another way, use nourishing, moisturizing deep conditioners, leave-in conditioners, things that your hair thrives. It needs that hydration. Key. Leave-in conditioners can help lock in moisture. So if you're not using these hydration products, you need products that hydrate your curls. If you're not using them, you're not locking in the moisture, so your curls aren't defining, which cause frizz. I used a product that's a bit frizzy, as you can see, but the curls are there. So but it also means the products you're using, are they for your hair? Are they helping you enhance the curl definition, or are they actually making your curls frizz, or some other ingredient that's actually stripping the hair from defining? Step number 4. Sorry, there was a fly on there. You've got to apply a styling product. If you are not using a mousse, a gel, a cream, how do you expect your curls to shine, to glow, to define? They aren't gonna do that. Your curls are not going to pop or define if you're not using a styling product. It just isn't going to happen. Styling products are there to style the hair, to define the curls. If you're not using one, come on, I have so many. Here you go. Eco Styler, As I Am, Shea Moisture, Cantu. There's so many. So many. Now I'm talking to my ladies and gents. Step number 5. If you have type 2, type 3 hair, for me, I have a type 3C hair. Let me tell you what it is. Scrunching. You know this motion when you are applying products? Scrunch. If you are not scrunching your hair, this could be a reason why your curls are not being enhanced, okay? For me, I don't need to scrunch. My hair is actually long. And when your hair is healthy, it naturally curls up, okay? I'm not saying that your hair is unhealthy, that it's not curling, but what I mean is there's certain type, texture, porosity, hydration. There's so many aspects to it. If you don't scrunch, this could be the reason why your curls aren't enhanced. Why is the definition lacking? If the definition's lacking, it could just be that particular product says scrunch. Some of my products say scrunch it in. If you aren't scrunching, there's no definition. So yeah, that's step number 5. Scrunching can also add volume. If you're lacking at the roots or you want big hair, scrunch them curls. I didn't think I needed to say this, but I'm going to say it. You need to be gentle when you're scrunching as well. None of this rough motion. I don't know if it's starting to rain. I felt something. Guys. Step number 6 is trying out the praying hands method. You know, the praying hands method. That can help, really help enhance curls. And certain products I found. I actually did raking versus praying hands method. There's a video for you just here. Please try it out. Your hair, this could make the difference, make or break. Number 7, step 7, finger coiling. Have you tried finger coiling your hair? Here you go. I've done finger coiling and I've also done shingling method. There's so many different methods that your hair is just waiting to try. Those curls. Can you hear the bird? What you need to do is finger coil. That's all you do, literally. Coil your hair around your finger. It's really simple. It can be time consuming, but it will enhance the definition. It will make a difference, especially if you have wavier curls, or when you're just transitioning, the start of your journey. If you are just starting, welcome, curl friend. And this could help you. If you can't wait, you know, for the curls to find themselves. Step number 8 is plopping. Have you ever tried plopping your curls in a microfiber towel or t-shirt? I've done this as well. If you look at my videos, there's so much I've done to help you guys. I just want to help. I just want to enhance those curls. If you give it a go, yeah, you will see it reduces frizz big time plopping, and it will enhance the definition. It does bring my curls up quite a bit, so you have to fluff out after, you know, you have to really pick. But that's the only disadvantage, I'd say, to plopping. But it's maximum definition, low frizz. Try plopping. Step number 9 is, do you refresh during the week? You know, not on your wash day, of course. You don't want to have washed your hair and then the next day refresh so soon. I generally don't refresh because I want the afro, I want the frizz, I want my hair to get bigger and bigger and bigger. Do you suggest refreshing? Like I can see, I will probably refresh. I just want big hair. I don't care, I like the frizz sometimes. But we're talking about enhancing the curls, and we will enhance them. Like, look at the curls. They are there. You know what refreshing is, right? It's where you have a water-based spray. I usually spray it with water and then add a bit of the product I used, and just to redefine the curls that way can help you last longer, so you don't have to then wash your hair again, because no one wants to be washing their hair every day. You shouldn't be washing your hair every day. I don't think I need to put that on this list. But what you really need to do is refresh during the week, day 3, day 4, whatever it is, when you feel, oh, my curls need some boosting, enhancement, refresh. Step number 10. Can you believe it? We're already there. Trim your ends. Regular trims. I can't say this enough. My definition. And not only will this enhance your curls, your hair will start growing. Those split ends, those dead ends just need to go. Chop them off. Cut them off. Have a regular trim. I cannot say this enough. Just doing this every 6 weeks. Or when you feel there's knots at the ends of your hair. I just know when I start getting knots at the ends of my hair, after you've defined, you know, after you styled your hair, washed, styled it, as you're running your finger through, the bottom has these little knots, these niggly things. That's when you know it's time for a trim. That's when you know. And I'm getting there. I need another one soon. So yeah, trim those ends. You need a regular trim. It makes the world of a difference. It will enhance your curls. They'll just find life again, and you'll be happier. They'll be happier. It will look better as well. Step number 11. Drum roll, the last but not least. Try using a satin or silk pillowcase, and if not as well, a bonnet. Wear a satin or silk bonnet. I do both. Sometimes I just do the pillowcase, but regularly, most days, I do both. This will prevent your hair from frizzing, and it will make your wash days last. It will enhance the curls. Your curls won't be frizzy, frizzy, frizzy all the time. Oh, why doesn't my wash day last all week? Are you sleeping on a satin or silk pillowcase? That could be the reason. Seriously, jokes aside, like, it makes a difference. I noticed the difference almost within a week. Instantly, there was change. And cotton really messes with your curls. Dare I say, use a microfiber towel? You know, don't use a normal towel on your hair, or a t-shirt. Dry your hair with a t-shirt. Those are my 11 steps on how you can enhance your curls. Obviously, you need to know all our curls are different. Our curls are going to look different. I could have type 3C like you, 4A, but my porosity will be different. So how it will look will be different. Yeah, the products, I will say, hey, these make a world of a difference. Might not for you, because you're low porosity and I'm high porosity. Yeah, I'm actually low porosity, but I have high density hair. Yeah, I could be medium porosity now because I dyed my hair. I don't know if you can see, and that's why I am where I am. Never mind. Moving on from that, we're gonna get these curls back in shape. okay? When you dye your hair and all sorts, our hair is all different. We have different types of hair. So what works for me might not work for you, but hey, one of these techniques will work for you. And if nothing on this list helps you, please leave a comment. I want to know. If I'm doing this wrong, which I'm not, let me know, because there is no way your curls will not begin to thrive, grow, strengthen, enhance if you don't try any of these steps. I can assure you they work. They work. Have a look at my other videos. You will see what is waiting for you. This can happen for you as well. Don't compare your curls to so-and-so's curls, to so-and-so's curls. They're different. But there will come a time where you will be happy with how they look, and you've got them to a point of, oh yes, this is what I've wanted. I can tell you my curls do not look the same every wash day. If anyone tells you that, they obviously have it down to a T. But when I try different products, I use different deep conditioners, the humidity in the air, how I define my curls, how I style them, every step matters. Just like how you climb up a ladder, you miss a step, it's a problem. You either falling off that ladder or you're making one hell of a jump to the next step. Yeah? So let's just go step by step. You can get there. We can get there. Same with life. One step at a time makes a world of a difference. Just try one a month. One of my steps a month. After 11 months, your hair will be thriving. If not, boost it up to every 2 weeks. Or try a new step every week. After 11 weeks, hello? Show me the difference. I want to see. 3 months, 11 weeks, roughly. I want to see. Please comment and let me know. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting me and following me and watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Please, if this has been any benefit to you, leave a comment, like my video, tell me what else helps you. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? I want to know. Click that notification bell so every time I post a new video, you're notified and you know, hey, she's got more tips for me. What can I do this time? What's the next step? What's the next step? If there's anything you'd like me to share, please leave a comment. I'm always up for suggestions and happy to help. If you need any help, you know, I'm here for you. I am. So take care. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. I'll see you in my next video. And don't forget, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment. Peace out.